Welcome back to Lux Bead Jewelry. My name is Shanely, and in this video I will be making my 4-color bracelet with charm. I will be using a transparent card, gold spacers, and gold jump rings, my little scissors. For this design, I will be using 4 different colors, and I will be calling this bracelet Purple Passion. I believe this name suits it. So let's begin. The first bracelet is complete. down to the last bracelet, guys, for this design. And if you made it this far in the video, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, as it helps others who is interested in my content to find it. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my design and the prepping of my launch. I'm finally finished with this design. Let's see how it looks on hand. I'm going color by color since the name of this bracelet is Purple Passion. So there I have the little passion color going on here, and then we're going to put on the final color, which is the lighter purple. There you have it, guys, my new design that you will be seeing on my website. My launch is March 4th. This design is called Purple Passion. It is definitely a 4-layer color bracelet, and it is indeed amazing. Let me know what you think, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Happy beading.